Hey guys, Coach Kirk Shensa here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money online in 2020, even during a pandemic, and get paid daily and instantly, right? Instant payouts. So right now, the Washington Post recently did a story, and they were talking about the first round of layoffs from the coronavirus and how people are getting laid off. And I know in my area, layoffs have even started. A lot of restaurants, hourly employees, they just been laid off. So for a lot of people, even people who think they have security, now they're starting to realize, wait a minute, this can last anywhere. They're predicting anywhere from, for most people that are already, their jobs have sent them home, like my job did, right? They're predicting this will last anywhere from 3 weeks. Some other places are saying 8 weeks. And in some parts of the country, they're even saying 12 weeks. Okay. So, how long can people really last without cash flow coming in? It's a big problem, right? So, I've been using this home system for well over a year to be able to create cash flow within, my business or within my economy, and be able to get paid daily and instantly. And for a lot of people who are in this situation, you're looking for something to be able to create cash flow. Don't wait until your back is against the wall. Now is the time to be creating something that will create cash flow within your economy. And I just want to show you what happened today. While I was sitting here, I've been watching the same TV show that's on my TV. It's called For Life on TV. And while I was watching that, this came in, and this was earlier in the day. So I got paid a $25 commission instantly and a $100 instant commission while I was watching TV today. Okay. So that's it. And that's really what I want people to understand. I've made to date over $23,000 at this point with this system. And I just want to show you, I want to talk about what it is. So what this system essentially is what we do is simple to be able to leverage this system to make money from home. What we do is we post ads, right? We advertise, we use free marketing and advertising to be able to turn our social media into ATM. That's what we do. Okay, that's our simple daily routine, and that's what we do. And I have a blueprint that I've used and I give to my business partners that come in at platinum or higher, which I'm going to talk about the levels in a second. So I give that to people so that they can do exactly what I've been able to do to make over $23,000 with this system. So the system is this. The system is called $25 One Up. It's a work from home system where it trains you on how to make money from home, and it even gives you the ads that I was talking about that you can post on social media to be able to earn commissions with the system. Okay, so when people come into the system and they purchase a package, you make an instant commission. It's literally that simple. Now there's two primary levels. There's a $35 level. It includes it's called gold, and then there's a platinum, which is $125 and $10 admin fee, so $135. Okay, so depending on how much commission you want to earn on a daily basis, I know for me, $35 a day is not going to cut it for me. Platinum plus, yes. And then we have higher packages where you can earn even higher commissions. We have Diamond, which is $250. We have Enterprise, which is $500, and we have the 1K, which is the elite package level. My nose is itching. So those are the package levels that you can earn at in the system. And the system even gives you the pre-rent ads. So we click on pre-rent ads, you can see that they give you some of these headlines, some of these ads that you can post on social media. And I give actual training on how to leverage those. And you can go out and start using what's already there and make commissions using this system. Okay. Now, also the system also gives you additional training, on how to right here, the affiliate marketing cheat code. This video training explains what affiliate marketing is and how to help you level up fast. Okay, so that's there. And then there's also training on how to leverage Facebook, which is free. The thing that I really want people to understand, when you're looking to make money from home, the thing that you need to understand is one of the best assets that you have for you to help you make money from home is your phone. It's your phone and your free Facebook profile. Okay. And if you're on YouTube, you better use that too, which is YouTube. Okay. So using those two, and shout out to Jerome. I just seen he just popped up on the screen. He's the person who joined today. Shout out to Jerome for making a decision. He works from home now. He's home on this hiatus, during this coronavirus outbreak. He's home with his kids, and now he put himself in position to be able to earn money from home. Today he got plugged into My Blueprint, and he's now able to go out there and start earning commissions from his bedroom like I am while watching TV. Okay. And that's the beauty of being able to work from home and having a system that positions you to be able to do that. So I just want to take you over here real quick and show you some of the success stories. You know, this system has paid out over $900,000. Actually, no, we passed that now. We had $1 million. $1 million in commissions this program has paid out, and I've earned 23,000 of it. Okay. And I've been showing, and here's the thing. I would not have been able to earn $23,000 in commissions from this system without showing people the way. Because here's the thing. This system, there's leverage built in. So for every commission that you earn, when you help someone understand how to use the same systems for them to earn, you essentially double your commissions. Okay. Because there's a pass up built into this, meaning that, if I go help, Jerome go get his first commission, right? His second commission gets passed up to me, and it happens to everybody in the system, which grows everyone's income. Okay. That's why this system rocks, because there's leverage built in. All right. So think about where you want to get started and what you really want to earn during this time. Even once all this jazz passes, this is not about scare tactics. This really is a good season. For those of us who've had to kind of sit at home, this is a great season for people to start building extra income anyways. Because once this all passes, I'm sure this is going to be a wake up call for a lot of people to realize that all along they should have had a passive income system and a second income stream all along. So for a lot of people, this is going to be a wake up call, and they're going to be like, you know what, let me start building that. So now is the time to start building income streams right now, regardless of if you're still working or not, right? Don't let what's happening, impact your cash flow. Okay. Now I want to take you and show you again, this has paid out thousands of commissions, actually millions at this one, 1 million. And I just want to show you some of the success stories. So we have here, someone said got another $125 instant payment. That's one of the success stories right here. Let's look at some of the other people here. I mean, there's so many in here. We got someone here, they got a $25. What an awesome business this is. Congrats to Shayna. Okay, and we can keep going. I mean, just look at all these people earning commissions in this group. Okay, and that's pretty awesome. This is actually me when I earned earning 1K commissions. Okay, so that's, this is it, right? So I love this system. If you want to learn more about it, beneath this video will be a link. Go ahead and get in there. Again, if you position yourself at platinum or higher, you get access to My Blueprint, which shows you what you need to do on a daily basis, the simple things you need to do to have a routine that generates you commissions, okay, using this system. All right. So if you're ready to come in and learn the simple work from home strategies, you're ready to actually follow a blueprint, and you're ready to earn instant payout commissions. That's amazing. Direct to your Cash App, direct to your Zelle, you can choose whatever payment processor you want. If that's you and you're ready, go ahead and get started. Position yourself at platinum or higher, right? And then message me and let's get your blueprint and let's help you start creating a work from home plan in the midst of all this pandemic. All right. Let's be calm. Let's wash our hands. And I keep touching my nose and stuff, right? Let's wash our hands and let's chill and enjoy ourselves. Bye, guys.